Hello guys, how are you all doing today? So without wasting much time, I have been backtesting this particular strategy for a while now and I thought to share with you. Guys, please pay keen attention. This is something that you've never ever seen before. This is actually a game changer. It's going to be a game changer for your trading in your trading game. So I would advise you stick to this video till the very end so that you get every single bit of detail that you need to turn this into your new money making machine, guys. So we're going to be making use of indicators like the Parabolic SAR. I'm going to add that to the chart quickly. The Parabolic SAR. So we're going to be making use of parameters like the step 0.02, maximum 0.2, the pixel, like I say, sorry for the style. You can use any of the pixels of your choice. Then for levels, we're not adding any levels. So I click on done and I'm done. Then I'm going to be adding, now look at the Parabolic SAR, please. The green dots you're seeing imprinted on the screen. Those are your Parabolic SAR. Now, we are going to be adding another indicator, which is a moving average. Moving average. So I'm going to be adding moving average 13. Okay, I'll be working with period 13, method simple, apply to close, and no level. So back to the chart. Now the red EMA, the red moving average, sorry, that you're seeing there is your moving average 13. I'm going to be adding another one straight away. Another moving average, which is going to be the final indicator. This time I'm going to be adding moving average 20. And then I'm going to change the color to aqua. Yep. So that is it on the chart. Okay, guys, that's it on the chart. Now, this strategy is a very, very simple strategy. Meanwhile, I want to remind you guys the function of the parabolic SAR. So you're going to still be on the same page with me when I start talking about it. The parabolic SAR, as it imprints below price, it simply indicates that the price is on an uptrend. Then as it imprints above price, it simply indicates that price is on a downtrend. So I believe that's very clear to us. Okay, good. So how does this strategy work? Very, very simple, guys. All you need to do is this. Now, the first thing I need to spell out is if you go over the chart and look at historical data, you're going to discover something about the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is a very special time frame. Okay. Now you will discover that almost every time. Now, mind you, I did not say every time, but then almost every time, whenever we have two candles in a particular direction, the probability that there will be a third candle in that same direction is very high. Like I said, not all the time, but most of the time. And even when you get the opposite and the third candle in the opposite direction, we can still take advantage of this move. So now this is what I want to show you. The first thing we need to do is to locate a point where we have two candles in a particular direction. So if I see two green candles, it simply means that I'm going to be looking out for sell opportunities. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. I bring my marker. Good. Now let's take this as an example. As you can see, this is the 2nd of June. So we have two green candles here indicating that we are going to be looking for a buy setup, right? Good. So now please take note. This candle started on at 1600. So that means the third candle, we're going to be looking out for our entry after the second candle closes. Okay. So that means the third candle started on 2000. Okay. So what am I supposed to do? The first thing is, please take note. The first thing, you wait on the 4-hour time frame. You wait for two candles in a particular direction. In this case, the up direction, the buy setup. So after that, we move straight to M15. Please take note. I skipped H4. You move straight to M15. Please take note. I skipped H4. I'm saying that again. Now, when we move straight to M15, we must observe something. One, you need to confirm that there's been a crossover of the 13 to above the 20 moving average. This is what I mean. If you notice, the red has crossed. Good. Since the red has crossed, so what am I going to be doing? When am I going to be expecting my entry? Then I'm going to simply wait for the price to retrace back. I'm going to simply wait for, once the crossover has happened on the M15, I'm going to wait for price to retrace back to the the moving averages. Okay, so sometimes it might be the reversal might happen on the 13 moving average or the 20 moving average. However, in this case, you just need to wait for it to reverse to both of the moving averages. Then the next thing you do, so see, I'm moving my marker now. Then the next thing you do for you to take your entry is to go over to the 5 minutes time frame. So now let's go over to the 5 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, all I simply need to do to ensure that I am really supposed to be in this trade is to wait for the parabolic SAR to start imprinting in that direction. In that direction, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is very, very simple. Then so this is where you would have entered the trade. Okay, and then you would have placed your stop loss just above the high here. Okay, so now all you just need to do is to try to target just 20 to 30 pips. Okay, 20 to 30 pips and you're good. Now as soon as price moves a little bit, you just have to quickly lock in the profits. Okay, then allow the trade to play all the way down to your 20 or 30, and it will interest you to know that in some cases these trades play out even to 50 pips. Now let's take another example so you get to understand better what I'm trying to say. Please pay attention. Remember, the first thing I said is you need to ensure that you see two candle closes. So this one closed at, I'm looking for a bearish setup now. This one closed at started at 400. So that means, okay, I'm supposed to take my entry in the third one, which started at 800. Okay, good. So I'm going to jump straight to the M15 time frame. Now remember what I said. The first thing is what I need to ensure that on the M15 time frame there's been a crossover. Now as you can see, the crossover happened here. There ought to be a crossover of the 13 moving average below the 20 moving average. Okay, and then what do? I'm going to have to wait for a retracement back. Did you see that? This is where it happened, a retracement back to the moving averages, and then after that I jump straight to my M5 time frame. Guys, this is a very simple strategy. You just found yourself good. If you're not going to try this, I mean, I wonder what you would want to try. So then you just simply wait for what your entry is going to be when you wait for the parabolic SAR to start imprinting in the opposite direction. Guys, just see how far this trade went. Just see how far this trade went. Your stop loss, just with a stop, you would have entered the trade here, and just with a stop loss of, this is 14.11, and this is 14.17. So that's like a stop loss of 6 pips, and let's see how much we would have made, how far the thing dropped. Okay, so this is 14.11 and it kept dropping. So this is 10 pips. This is 20 pips. This is, so guys, this is 30 pips. 30 pips, guys, 30 pips. And mind you, it still kept going. Okay, so this is 40 pips, and okay, so almost 50 pips. So guys, do not take my word for it, okay? I would like for you to go back to the chart, open your chart and try to back test this, and also try to see how you can improve and master the strategy. It's going to be a game changer for you guys. And please, please, and please remember that there's no perfect strategy. That's where most of you. So guys, do not take my word for it, okay? I would like for you to go back to the chart, open your chart and try to back test this, and also try to see how you can improve and master the strategy. It's going to be a game changer for you guys. And please, please, and please remember that there's no perfect strategy. That's where most of you, used to make the mistake, okay? A lot of us are expecting to see a strategy that wins 100% of the time. No. And guess what? You don't even need to have a 70% winning strategy to make money in the forex market. So all you need is the right attitude and a strategy that can win at least 40% of the time, guys. So please go back to your chart, back test this, and try to apply it to your trading routine, guys. And if you're a first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.